thought of coming up with an important topic in public economics. You have studied externality and then you have studied excludable and rivalry. So it's public good and private good in public economics. The topic is all about. So, welcome to this presentation. And what you will explore the differences of the both with examples to illustrate with each. Now, what are public goods and private goods? First, let us start with what do we mean by public goods. So, public goods are the goods or services which are available to everyone regardless of the payment, and we cannot exclude anyone from this. Okay, so everybody is included and we cannot exclude anyone. Public goods are essential for what? Well functioning of the society and are provided by the government through taxation. And then we come to characteristics of public good. Now there are certain characteristics. What are they? Non-rival and excludable. So there are two characteristics which are important. We have two concepts, rivalry and we have excludability. So here one person consumption will not reduce the amount available to others. That is non-rivalry. And what is non-excludability? So here both the things are non-rivalry and non-excludable. Okay, for public goods, because if one person consumes a good, it will not reduce the amount available to other, and it's impossible to prevent someone from using the good even if the so excludable is related with the money. If you don't pay the money also, you will be able to use it. And non-rival means one can, if you consume also, it won't reduce others. Now non-rival and non-excludable, many people, non-rival means if you consume also, others will be able to consume that. Many people can use the park simultaneously without reducing its availability to other. Non-excludable means no one can be prevented from entering the park. If one pay, one don't pay, there is no problem. Now if you tell me what are the examples of public goods, so these are national defense, non-rival, if you cannot exclude somebody from that one. If one is consuming also, radio broadcast, if one is paying also, then also, and street light. Now what is private goods? I understood that public good means what? Non-rival and non-excludable. Non-rival means I cannot exclude someone from consuming if one is consuming also, and I cannot tell someone non-excludable, that I cannot exclude somebody from doing the thing. Okay, if one is paying, then also. What are private goods? Goods are services which are both rival, means if one is paying, then if one is consuming, then other might not be able to consume. And excludable means if one is paying, then other has to pay. Without payment, they are consumed by one person at a time and can be withheld from those who don't pay. Now what is the economic principle here? The market mechanism generally works for allocating private goods, public goods from the inherent property rights and market signal. So as I told you, it is rival and it is excludable. Consumption of one person will prevent another from consuming, and if who haven't paid, it's possible to prevent the other one. Now example, it might be once you eat a slice of pizza, no one cannot have that, and the pizza restaurant can prevent people for eating pizza if unless they pay for it. So examples are like car, one person drives a car at a time and other can be excluded. One wears a piece of clothing, others can be excluded, and the food. So this was the difference between public goods and private good. What you need to remember, it is non-rival and it is non-excludable, and it is rival and excludable. So if I go for the topics rival and excludable, the thing means that if one is consuming, then other cannot consume the thing, that is rival. And excludable means one is paying for it, then other can be prevented, that is excludable. And non-excludable, other cannot be prevented. Okay, so best of luck for your preparation for public economics.